Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I hope everybody's all good. So in the next video that's coming up is a Ikea LED light strip. So this is a really good affordable light strip from Ikea. So let's just get straight into the video. Hi, so welcome back to my channel. So on this video I've got an LED light strip that I acquired from Ikea. So just going to see how good this LED light strip is. So this is it in the box. So this is what the light strip looks like in the box. So it's the Vaterstansten, I don't know if I pronounced that right. So it's a 1 meter, 39 inches LED light strip that does work off a USB. So this is what it is, it's a RGB one. So just going to see what's inside the box. So let's just get it out of the box. So this is what's inside the box then. As you can see, that's the LED strip. So let's just get that out. So that's it all coiled up there. So like I said, it's just an LED strip RGB. Just put that to one side. So that's what's in the box. So if you just open this, so let's have a look. So this is the cable. So that's your USB type A that plugs into a USB plug or a computer or power bank. And this is I believe this is the switch to do all the different modes. And that's the connector to connect it to the LED strip. That's what's inside the box. So this is just an instruction leaflet, just how to set it up. Got all different languages there. So yeah, I believe it's going to be quite easy to set up. So yeah, just follow the instructions there. Standard Ikea. So let's just get that all back in the box. So this is it. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to get this set up and then we'll have a look to see how this Ikea LED light strip performs. Because like I said, they are getting really good at the smart home tech that they've got in there when you walk around Ikea. So let's just go and get this set up then. Right, so I've got it set up, so it was dead easy to connect. So I've just got it running up the side of my wall here in my studio. So I'm just going to turn it on. So I've got the cable down just here. So that's the on and off button. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn it on. Okay, so I've just pressed it once. So this is it on now. So it's quite bright. And what it is, when you press it on straight away, it goes through a random selection of colours. So you've got like bright white, blue, can't really see that, purple. So it will go through that on a random selection. So if you press it again, so I'll just press it again. If you press it again, it will just stick to the colour that you set it to. So let me just press it again. Go to the red. So once you press that again, the second time, it stays on the whatever colour you choose, which is, that's the red, so that's a static red there. Dead easy to operate, dead easy, and it's very sticky as well. So, and then when you press it again, the third time, it goes through like a sequence, like a pulsating sequence there. So look, it's changing all the colours. So yeah, I'm really impressed with this LED light strip. I will leave the link below of how much it cost. It wasn't that expensive, about £5 or £6. But yeah, I'm impressed. It does make a difference. I do like the random pulsating through on the colours. So yeah, I'm impressed with that. So like I said, I will leave the link below and the price with this Ikea LED light strip. So if you like the video, could you like and subscribe and comment below regarding this video, because I want to build this channel up. So yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like. So yeah, I am impressed with this. So it's very nice. So I hope to see you all soon again on my channel, BKM Tech Reviews. Hope you have a nice day. Take care.